Thrifty Tuesday, Spending 101 Quick Tips. Control without deprivation. 1. Replace rules with defaults. Instead of deciding every time, pre-decide. Choose default options, same grocery list, same fuel station, same brands. Less decision fatigue equals fewer impulse leaks. 2. Cap the damage, don't eliminate joy. Set a maximum for non-essentials, not zero. This keeps spending intentional without rebellion later. 3. Align spending with use, not want. X, how often will I actually use this? Cost per use beats sticker price every time. Why this matters moves from awareness, gives control, prevents emotional spending, respects money without living in scarcity. Bottom line, you already pause. Now you design your spending so willpower isn't required. Truality.Finance is built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. No noise, no pressure, just tools that help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. This message was brought to you by Mr. Y, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.Legalese.Mental and .Unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central hub, Truality.Finance.